Hunchback gorilla.
Yo, what's up, guys? We're in Gorilla Tech, and we're playing some more mini games. We're playing Monkey on the Shelf, and I've got some people here to play it with me, and I'm it. So let's do this. Now, raise your hand if you don't know how to play Monkey on the Shelf. Okay, so Blue. Basically, you can't touch the ground because if you have to like So if I were to go this, okay. Come here. Right. So you have to like see whoever's lava monkey. They have to delete something in this room, anything in this room, like here, and you can't like touch it because if you do, then you're out, and then
so it's
you
like,
can't.
it's like,
and you have to try and make your way without touching the ground, like all the way to wait no, never mind. But you're meant to do like parkour. You have to parkour your way all the way over to the mirror, like over here, and then you can walk back on the ground. That's how it works. You have to delete something, but you can do this. Look, the only part of the floor that you actually can touch is this bit. Look, this bit right here, because this is basically this is like this is outside the building. Oh, okay. And then you have to try and make your way over here. So. Alright, just everyone get tagged. Okay, missed. Falcon! Oh, didn't work. I can't do it! What the heck? Tag lag. This tag lag, what the heck?
Wait, really?
Oh, wait, not anymore. Alright, Red, we need you to come down. Okay. Let's go. Who's up there? Oh.
You do some pull-ups.
Oh, you're it. So you have to go in there and you have to delete something.
Who, me?
Yeah.
No, the first round, I thought the first round you don't delete something, it's the second round.
So, I'm it.
It's whatever.
Yeah, so you go in there and you can delete anything. Where we can't touch the ground. We delete them. That whole thing there. That whole thing.
No, this, only. Like, so you can touch this, but not this.
No, like, you have to get rid of the older thing. So like, that whole bit there is gone now.
It's done. You can't touch this area right here. Alright, okay.
Made it.
You touch the ground. Oh.
Made it.
Oh, touch the ground. You touch the ground.
It's tag lag. Oh no, get the next tag lag. Okay, Red, you just like, I don't know, you go sit up there on the lonely shelf. Nope.
So now what do I cancel off now? So this is still canceled, right?
Yeah. So you can delete anything. Red, you just go up there because you're out.
Delete this.
If that's right. Like that shelf over there.
Delete this. Yes.
Huh, oh wait. Okay, I can touch this bit. Made it.
Alright. Go back, y'all. Go back.
See if you can tag Red now. Can you tag Red now? Oh!
Nope.
I can't. Alright, what are you deleting next? Alright, Red, you go on that shelf because you're out. Like the one all the way over there in the corner. If that's fine.
Now I want to delete.
Oh, he's gonna delete
this wall right here. You can't touch this wall at all. Like, it's gonna.
He's making it hard. Oh no! How am I gonna do this?
I am.
I think I've got an idea. Because you can go in that bit over there. So 1 second. Oh god. Okay, this is when I'm out. Oh no way! No way! No way!
He didn't touch the ground. He didn't touch the ground.
No way! I just did that.
Where are you at, bro?
He's
wait,
out.
I thought I deleted. No, I didn't delete that.
Okay, I'll touch the ground. Wait, do I win?
I touched it.
I think you touched it. Wait, who touched it first? Me or you? Was it you?
He touched me.
Wait, no.
I just came
Still
last.
confused.
Wait,
I
okay,
know
wait,
that.
what are we gonna do? Because it's tag lag.
Just go back. We'll restart.
Okay. That's
So
kind of weird.
instead of that wall, actually,
So now we're restarting, so like everything's back now. So what are you deleting first? You deleting that
bet.
wall? Or
nope.
are you
Well,
saying
no, I'm
it's back?
deleting. I'm deleting.
Don't do that, but I don't need that.
Wait, am I allowed to delete the mirror floor?
No, we need no. Cause that's the bit you have
Alright.
to make it to.
Well, I'm deleting this little block over here.
Wait, let me
Gee,
see.
can you
Wait,
come
I'm
over
coming
here?
over. Wait, I'm coming
Oh,
over.
yeah, you just come.
This.
This.
Alright, got it.
This.
That's so menacing. He's gonna go. No, don't take me. Alright, wait. What are you taking?
Alright. Where's G?
G's over there. Come on. So what you deleting? Oh, you deleted that thing. You deleted the little.
Yeah, I deleted it already. Alright,
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, whoa,
Oh.
nice. Wait, no, I've
You
got a
found
different way.
shortcut. But you're last right now. But rude. Alright, now I'm deleting
Maybe-
this wall since G just found something out. I don't know how.
Alright,
This wall is deleted.
right, let's go
3,
then.
2, 1, go.
Whew, that was close.
Somehow he keeps doing it. Somehow G's just a god right now. Alright.
So am I.
Alright, so delete this. Delete this.
Deleting that,
Delete
alright.
this.
I'm not even using that anyway.
Cause G is just a god. He knows everything.
You should watch what I'm doing, then you delete the bit that I'm using. Alright, Alright, here we go.
This wall after.
just delete that wall there. Oh no,
3, 2,
that
1,
little.
go.
Oh.
G, you touched the ground, I think. Oh no, you didn't. No, G's alright.
Made it.
Now I'm deleting this wall.
Oh no.
That bad
Oh,
wall.
I hit my head off the thing. Alright, everyone back.
Wait.
Wait.
Sorry, don't start yet.
Wait, so
I'm
the stuff
trying
you
to get up there
have
real
you deleted this and this wall here? Is that what you've
I
deleted?
delete this, and this.
That wall, this wall here.
Yeah, I delete both
Oh
these
yeah, you
walls.
have. Alright, let's go.
Cool. Wait. You know, G. Wait, no, G, you're out.
Oh yeah, G's out.
Wait, where's G at? G, you're
Alright,
out. You touched
since
the
it,
wall,
since there's
and I already
since there's
deleted it.
tag lag, whoever is out has to go up there on the shelf, if that's fair, because it's tag lag. Alright, what are you deleting next?
Let's see. I just deleted that wall.
Yeah.
And this wall and that wall are deleted. So this wall right here and that wall. So it's kind of impossible now.
Oh crap! How am I gonna
Monkey
do this?
pit.
You made this impossible. Wait, is this deleted?
No.
Oh, you made it impossible. How am I gonna do this?
How?
I don't know what I'm doing. How? I think we're stuck here. Do we call it a draw?
I
Yeah.
mean, I think there's still.
I
one
say
way
we
can.
call it a draw because like we are literally just like stuck here.
No, there's still one way. There's actually still
Actually,
one
no.
way. G
Uh.
G showed me earlier. Instead of touching this wall, all you have to do is just like do the little pinch thing. I forgot how you do it. Pinch. The little pinch climb.
Wait, no,
think
wait.
you
I've got an
can do it.
idea. I've got an
Wait a
idea. Everyone, go back to your computer to fix your tag. We're gonna fix your tag lag. Everyone, go back to your computer. Okay. No, he's not. Yeah, he's a modder. Okay, everyone, take away the G. So it's take away the G. So it's LG again. Take away the G. So it's LG again. Okay. Take away the G. Make sure it's on infection. Oh no! Did he just? Okay, let's go. I really hope we didn't just lose him there. I'll be sad if we lost him.
Or
Oh,
Tag
I
me.
thought that like we actually lost you because like I saw you press enter before the thing. Oh, it's him again. Can you actually tag people this time?
Tag.
Wait, hold up.
Wait.
I cannot
Wait.
hear anything.
I can tag Alex
Not
Fix.
tag.
Alright, everyone get tagged.
Alright, we gotta tag him again.
Red.
G, where are you?
Red. I mean G. G. We need you.
When?
You went there. Oh my god. Give me your hat. Where's G? G, we need you. We need to tag you. Come on. Oh god, I went flying off again. Oh my god, I can't.
Bro. G, what else mods do you have, by the way? Wait, do you have a mod menu? Or do you have the banana?
Yeah, but I can't use it in public lobbies though.
Alright, oh, okay. Alright, everyone get tagged again. Alright, everyone, we're doing...
Alright, everyone, just separate,
Who wants to do
separate
Who
over.
wants to do Monkey in the Chamber now?
I wanna do Color Rush.
Alright, we'll do color. Who's up for Color Rush? Because we already done
Ghost
Monkey
in
in the Chamber.
Graveyard.
I'm
Ghost
not
in
to play that.
Graveyard.
Alright, who's up?
You don't know?
Wait, we'll
So
do Ghost in the
basically-
Graveyard after Color Rush, yeah?
Alright, you know how to play it?
I know how to play Color Rush, not Ghost in the Graveyard. Alright, let's go.
So basically one monkey goes and hides, and then one monkey that hides is the tagger, and the others
wait.
have to find the tagger before the tagger
Everyone
tags
here.
them.
Everyone here, okay? Oh, that was close. Alright, you go with them.
I played like.
What?
What?
Just go over there. No, there. No, get away. Okay, everyone on the thing over there. Look, right here. Alright, so who here knows how to play Color Rush?
Nobody.
So no one knows how to play Color Rush.
Okay.
No.
Bro.
Wait, do you know? Pink,
He
do
said
you know?
he raised his hand like that.
Like, I'm pretty sure I do know. It's like, you gotta mostly call up and the color, and then, like, you have
I
to
think
try
tag
tag
lags
before
back
they get
at-
behind you.
Oh,
don't know.
mind.
So what you gotta
G,
do?
where are you?
So, like,
Look, so yeah.
So, like-
So what you gotta do is that whenever
G,
there's
come back.
someone
We gotta
here,
tag you
G,
now.
come back. So see the people
I
that are
wanna
not
tag
at go
you.
here,
Tag you, please.
okay? And then
Bro, I have player checking on. Not the other version. The one that.
what? Oh my god, I'm fast.
that
Joe, I'm sorry.
tracks you.
No, oh god, no, G's it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right,
we're doing
everyone. All right, G, you go over there. G, okay.
that. See, look, I can move while doing
No,
it.
no.
I mean, it's really just my hand moving.
Right here. Look, right
Pretty
here.
sure I know
You
what
go here.
Color Rush is.
Ah! Okay, so how this works is that G is gonna call out one of our colors, okay, and then we have to go up to him, and he's gonna be here, okay, and then we have to try and like get past him like this, and if we dodge him, we have to run in here, and without getting caught. Like, look, you have to run in here, look, G, so everyone knows. You gotta run in here without getting caught, and then once you're caught, you go back. But you can only go this way. So G, don't tag. But G, just to make this fair, can you turn your long arms off to make it fair?
Bro,
Oh my
he
god.
tagged
Got
me.
you.
Where the... Oh, I don't want to see what's going on.
What the heck? Bro, that's weird, bro. Bro, just
Family
making out
friendly.
with his hat. Exactly, family friendly, bro.
Oh, now it's...
Oh, he's
Okay.
it. Go.
Alright,
I'm trying to
G,
move,
come
but I
back.
can't.
G, come back.
G, just come back.
You get over there.
Don't tag G, don't tag G. Watch out for G, don't tag him. Oh,
My
ah! Oh, crap. Oh god, I hit something.
Bro, I've been hitting things this whole time.
I've got them all after me!
Bro, one missing out with something.
You scared me, man. Where'd you go? Oh, no, I'm at. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna get tagged by him.
Okay, so,
That's
G,
fine.
just to make it fair, can you turn your long arms off? And don't get tagged. What?
I have player tracking back on,
You just speak.
but it's smooth. Literally, just look at me and move. Look at me and move.
Oh.
Just my bag on the stand. No, I'm not gonna sing this because it's probably copyrighted. You're faster. Oh god,
Alright,
come on.
let's go. Start, go. Go. Dude, where are you going?
I'm just jumping around the
Where's
place.
G
I think
going?
we just. Oh,
Gee.
G, you good, bro? G. G.
I think G's depressed. What?
G, come on.
G, come.
G, come on, bro.
Oh, G was just putting his other thing back on.
Oh.
He can't talk. He said he can't talk. I won't let him talk. If yes, do this. Thumbs up. Alright, so it says.
Alright, come on, G. Alright, everyone in there. Everyone in the room. Everyone in the room. G. G. Alright, G, get. Alright,
Fix it.
okay.
3.
So remember how it works. You have to try and dodge me and get over there whenever I like call someone. Blue.
Huh?
Come on. You gotta try and dodge me. Oh, nice job. Oh wait.
I got
You were
in.
so close.
I technically got in.
Yeah, but I got
Did I
you.
not get in?
You were right here when I got you.
No, I was right
You-
here.
Good job.
Like, I was like this.
Then you just go on that shelf over there. No, not that one. The other one.
Huh?
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Pink.
Player tracking is back on. Let's go.
We don't care.
Oh,
The heck? I didn't even mean
How
that.
do you get out?
I didn't mean to get you there. I tried to like move and I got stuck and I accidentally got you there when trying to get out.
How does
All right.
somebody better than me at the
Come on,
game?
Red. Wait, guys. Wait, Red, go back. Alright, go back. You made it through.